Hello friends, my name is Alea of Cozy Crochet Co, where I show you how to crochet the cozy way. And today we are out in the field. We got my chauffeur.
What up?
And we got Amir, say hi.
Co-pilot.
And we just came from the P.O. box, but Joann's is really close to the P.O. box, so I'm gonna go in there really quick. I just need one thing, so I'm only gonna get one thing.
Good luck.
But yeah, I just want to show you around this Joann's and see if they have anything new. So let's go inside. All right, so I don't normally come to this Joann's, but look, they have all the Christmas stuff out. It's November 1st, so I expect this. So excited for the holidays. But I don't come to this Joann's very often. Ooh. But because they have clearance. We have to hit the clearance on first to see if they have anything. Nothing really worthwhile, but we're gonna keep looking. So my P.O. box is right down the street from a Joann's. I was like, perfect. I need literally one more ball of yarn to finish a blanket. So we're gonna grab that and then look at some other stuff. All right, so we first coming up on, this is a really pretty color. The Bernat blanket, speckle, and the color cream. They have a lot, this whole aisle has Bernat blanket. And it's a buy two, get one free. Okay, and this is the Bernat blanket extra. I like this color. Oop. Gonna just push that back. Have the velvet yarn. Oh, and then we have the forever fleece. Let's see. I like this color, juniper. Really nice for a blanket. And I love that pink color. And I used this for a scarf last year, and that white is really nice. I just wish it was I like the finer one. We have the Caron 1 pound. Nothing new. They got 30% off. Oh, what is this? Big Twist Hush. This kind of feels like the Forever Fleece, but like stranded. See that? This is it. Big Twist Living. This is nice. Anti-peeling acrylic. Oh, I like that color. Then we have the Big Twist Shine. I have some of this at home. I'm not gonna get any more. I'm looking for the Big Twist Gentle. Oh, literally it's right here. And I just need a white one. This is, ooh, I don't want it to fall. No, because I can't pick it up. My belly would be in the way. All right, I literally just need one. This is in the color white. But I like these other colors too. This sage, this denim color is really nice, and that lavender color down there, and I have the gray color. So yeah, let's look at some other ones while we're here, and they're 25% off. So Big Twist. I am looking at a color palette to make another, like a big, like this is a big ball of yarn. Big Twist Value Pound. Okay, I've never seen this before. I guess that's in competition with the Caron 1 pound and the Pound of Love. They don't really have that many colors. They have like primary colors, that color, that purple, that salmon, black. Oh my god, a pound of black yarn. Ew. We have like a grayish white. Maybe I should get the white because I'm always using white. We got the other value yarns. But yeah, I have a color palette in mind for the next blanket that I want to do. I'll share it on the screen, but I don't know. Nothing's really, I just passed by all this other yarn. The woolies, nothing new. Ooh, this is pretty. And the color Bubbles. Okay, I've never seen that one before. That's cute and girly. We have Scarfy. And then we have the K and C. This is alpaca. Acrylic and alpaca. I don't know. I do like that color right there, that orange. And then we have the Buttercream Roving. I have never really been a fan of this because it's not soft. It says it's luxury. It is 100% wool, but it's like, I would probably just use this for felting, honestly. Like if I wanted a felted hat or a felted bag. This color is really pretty, but I already know this is gonna go on sale, so I'm not even gonna try to buy it. Okay, let's see what's on the other side. Okay, so we have some loop yarn. Have more Bernat baby blanket. Ooh, this has sparkles in it. Cute. Baby velvet. Pipsqueak. I think I've seen this before. That's really soft. All the baby yarn. All right, so I had to wait till everybody from the aisle left, but I think looking at these colors from the Pound of Love, they have the colors that I'm looking for the next baby blanket, like that green, that color, the orange, like that beigey color, the cream, like the terracotta. So I'm thinking those will probably be the ones that I get. I'm gonna wait for because right now they are $11.99 with 25% off. However, I do know that during the Black Friday, they're gonna be a lot cheaper. So they got skinny tones. Love this. And then Basic Stitch is also one of my favorites. I have like 3 skeins of this purple one, but I saw this color that I've never seen before. This is in the color Stonewash. So do you think the purple in this color will go good? But yeah, I love Basic Stitch. They have a nice variety of yarn for smaller projects. Or like if I wanted to do like an accent. Ooh, I really like this pink right here. And then like this oatmeal color, that's pretty. But yeah, like if I was doing a cardigan sweater, I would probably pick these up. They're really nice. We are back in the car, and I just want to show you the PR packages that we got. We have 3 of them. One, oh well, I guess I'll just open these later because I don't remember where they're from. Well, we got one from FURLS. That's all I can remember. So we're gonna go home and we're going to open these there.
Did you buy only one?
I did.
Well, look at that.
Only one skein of yarn. There wasn't anything new in there.
I know you checked.
Oh yeah, I did. You already know I checked. But yeah, I got so much yarn at home and so many projects to work on. I don't need no more yarn for now.
I'm very proud of you.
Until I want to work on the other blanket, I don't need any more yarn for a while. So, and I know like Black Fridays, it would be so silly of me to go shopping for yarn now when Black Friday is like literally down the street from us.
So you're gonna wild out on Black Friday?
No, I already know.
Build up, y'all.
I already know the colors that I want, so I'm gonna wait till then.
Okay.
Until they're significantly cheaper. And then we have coupons and all that other stuff, just to be smarter about it, because I'm not gonna work on it right now. Honestly, I probably won't work on it until next year, so might as well just wait. All right, y'all, so I am back. We just came back from church, put my son to bed, he brushed his teeth, all that good stuff. He's asleep now. And now it's mommy's time. Yes, where I open up the PR packages, which is very exciting because this is the first time I'm getting PR packages. Some of these are also for videos that I'm going to be making. Like I'm going to be reviewing some of them. So look out for those. But the first one we're going to be opening up is from Scented Stitches. I'm really excited about this brand. I came across them on Instagram and I love the concept. And I can't wait to share with you what they sent me. I don't even know what they sent me. I just know they sent me something. Oh, it smells good. All right, so Scented Stitches is like aromatherapy for your crochet and yarn. Super exciting. Oh, they sent like a lot of stuff. So I have little samples. Okay, and then they sent me like full size. Okay, how exciting. Okay, so let's read, before I get into all the goodies, let's read the note. Hi Leah, Scented Stitches sample included, plus a little something extra from our brand Mood Food. Enjoy. Okay, thank you. All right, so Scented Stitches, how it works. Stitch balms are super easy to use. Just apply by rubbing the balm on your fingers in place where your yarn passes over them as you knit or crochet. You'll be adding a bit of aromatherapy in every stitch. Y'all know I like to elevate my crochet experience. So these are super cute and they will fit in any project bag. So we have Calm, Cheer, Confidence, and Power. Ooh, okay, I'm gonna smell Power because I need a little power. Is it like safety seal? Okay, wait. All right, so I'm gonna just open the ones that they gave me in here, the smaller version. I'm gonna open Power. Oh my goodness. This is Palo Santo and ginger and lemon. Oh my goodness. It smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. I love ginger and I love lemon, and Palo Santo is just so nice. So I do plan on doing a full review on these, so look out for that. Of course, I have to try it out. I like to try out my stuff for like 1 or 2 weeks before I do a review, so be on the lookout for that. They also gave me Positive Affirmation Cling, so you can put it on like showers, mirrors, appliances. Cute. Okay, it says, I am my own self-care guru. Yes, I love that. Oh, I'm so excited. I'll link down below if you're interested in these. I am an affiliate with them, so that does help out the channel, but I'm very excited to review them. All right, so the next one, I actually forgot what this was. I forgot who sent me this. So let's open it up. Crochet Box, The Gift of Love Crochet Kit. Huh? Hold up. I think I remember. Oh, okay, so it's a crochet box. Oh, okay, so it's like a crochet kit. And it does come with a crochet hook. Okay. All right, I'm gonna have to do a more in-depth unboxing. They have a YouTube channel and their website is crochetbox.net. I'm also gonna do a video on this, so look out for that. This will probably be the next video that I do. Okay, cool. That's exciting. Fun. All right, y'all already know I'm excited about the FURLS unboxing. I already know what's in here. It's yarn. I can't wait to show y'all the colors that I picked out. Ooh. Oh. Well, this color kind of looks a wee bit different, but I think it'll still be nice. Oh my goodness. Look at these. Ooh. Oh my gosh. These are such gorgeous, like, cool tone colors. Perfect for the winter. So I'm working on a winter project, like a winter pattern, and FURLS was so kind enough to send me some yarn. If you are interested in this yarn, I will link it down below. It is their Wonder acrylic yarn. This is in the color Winter Mint. So it kind of looks white. It looks white with this lighting, but there we go. It's like a cough of green, like a little, like, you know, a little hint of green in there. It's just like such a pretty color. And I've never really seen a color like that before, so I'm very excited. And then we have, this one is in the color Agave. Now, I thought this was going to be a little bit darker or lighter, but I think it still goes with the color scheme that I'm going for. And we have 3 of those. And then we have the color Foundry. I absolutely love this color. This is like a greenish, grayish. It just, I don't see this color when I go to like Michael's and Joann's. This color is just so gorgeous. So I think all of these will look really nice. Can you guess in the comments what I'm going to be making with these yarns? I'm super excited. All right, that's it. Oh yeah, and then for anybody wondering, my son dropped my yarn. I'm not very happy about that, but he is 2 years old. He don't know. But then I got Big Twist Gentle yarn. This is like a weight 5 bulky yarn, and I'm using it to finish off a blanket that I'm finishing. So that's super excited. You might see that in the update video, but I love this Big Twist Gentle yarn. It is one of my favorite yarns from Joann's. All right, well, that's it for today's video. But yeah, that's it. I just want to come on here and open some packages with you guys because I'm super excited that I'm finally getting like PR mail and showing you guys stuff. So I'm really excited, and I really hope that you guys, I'm sorry, I'm still smelling that power on my hand that I put. It smells so good. It's so strong. And I'm getting like, I'm getting distracted, but I can't wait to go into detail on everything that you saw today. Super excited. Can't wait. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. I just want to come on here and show y'all what I got in my PR, which is very exciting. As a really small channel and a micro influencer, to get brands to send me things is just, my yarn fell. It's really exciting, and I really couldn't get opportunities like this if it wasn't for you guys. So thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing. And yeah, I'm gonna get started. I'm super excited. But yeah, guys, I hope you have a wonderful day, and as always, create something gorgeous. Bye, guys.